Coach, regarding that everything was green comment, but it was green, but the green was getting smaller. So to me, that would say I would start being cautious.
It could, but it's not really small. I mean, if you look at it, it's still a ramp, right? See how it's still up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise it would be fading like this. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
We'd see, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
This, yep, for sure. But this is one of those like key danger points because we've broken out of this trend. Now, listen, these trends are stronger, just like support and resistance are always stronger the more times it touches, right? So the longer it sits in the trend, let me show you from yesterday. So the longer it sits inside of a trend, right, the more strength it gives it. Was it SPY yesterday that was doing that? I mean, we saw this one, this right here. You see it? So, and now this is obviously a longer time frame, and it did this, and then it came up. So if we look at some of these trend lines right here, you see how it's starting to get these perfect little trend lines? And then if you look at it, so it touched here, it touched here, it touched here, it touched here, and it touched here, and it broke. See it?
How many touches give it strength, Coach?
Well, the more touches, the better, right? So there's no really like hard fast number, but you guys know that on triple bottoms, triple tops, quadruples, right? As soon as it starts to touch 4 times, then most likely it's going to break through that area.
Yep,
right?
yep.
Because think about it. If you guys have ever watched like a triple bottom, right? So it's touched once, it's touched twice, it's touched 3 times, and it comes back, most likely it's gone, right? Otherwise, it's going to touch
It's the
one,
same thing, just a
two.
trend line then.
That's correct. Otherwise, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and then it bounces and doesn't come back, right? So the biggest thing you guys can see right here, this is what's so big about this, is look at SPY zoomed in here, 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 here. And guess what happened when it came back down and it broke through? Do you guys see it?